create some small accent pieces in your workspace to help you feel more cohesive and more Hey guys, I am back again with another DIY. This time I'm going to show you how to create some small accent pieces. So for this first project, what you will need is some greenery. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. Now you can purchase this with just the grass leaves. This is one that I've had for a while. I'm going to only be using the leaves. The next thing you'll need is a small floral planter. I got this one at Hobby Lobby. It was just $1.99. Now you're also going to need some stones. I'm going to be using these that I already have on hand. I got these little gold stones from Old Time Pottery some time ago. So I'm just going to take these and I'm going to fill the pot all the way to the top. Okay, next thing that I'm going to do is begin to disassemble this little floral piece. And these little grass stems come right off. And they already have floral tape on them. I think if you use the grass that they have at the Dollar Tree, that's just the grass. I don't know that you'll have this tape. This is actually helpful because all you have to do is just stick it down in there. And I'm just going to continue to remove the little grass here and stick them down in there. And you get a total of 6, which is perfect. For the next project, you'll need a garden dish like this one. I got this one at the Dollar Tree. You'll also need some stones in the color of your choice. As you can see, I chose white ones. I got them as well from the Dollar Tree. You'll need a small candle holder. This one I've had for a while, but if I'm not mistaken, it's from the Dollar Tree as well. And you will also need some succulents. These are faux succulents that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. These two I purchased alone. This one came with a little pot. Okay, so what you're going to do is place your stones in your pot. You can remove that little sticker if you want. And then just begin to place your succulents. I'm going to remove a handful of these so that I can kind of just place them around my candle holder. For this project, you're going to need a bowl, a sponge applicator or paintbrush, a stemless wine glass, some glue, and some Epsom salts. So I'm going to pour some glue in this little container just for convenience. And I'm going to take my Epsom salt here. And you'll want to hold your glass over the bowl like this. Take your glue and just begin to paint the glue on your glass. I don't cover the bottom with glue. That way when I need to turn it, I'll have something to have leverage with. And then you're just going to take your glass and cover it with the Epsom salt. And it smells good if you like lavender. Not everybody likes the smell of lavender, but if you do, this smells so good. Be careful not to smear off any areas that you've already salted. And you can just work it around with your hands so that you can see. And then you're just going to take a piece of paper and sit it down to dry. And this is what it will look like when it's all done.